Next award goes for the prestigious winner for innovation in manufacturing aluminium or stainless steel fabrication. Award goes to Messrs. Metlonics Industries Private Limited, Mohali.
Metlonics are manufacturing high-safety engineering machine fabrications and assemblies. Fabrications manufactured at Metlonics are used worldwide in regional trains, metros and locomotives. The company has expanded its offering to the manufacturing of fully assembled bogies for rolling stock applications. It is a leading manufacturer of high-safety critical fabrications for regional trains, metros and locomotives. They also manufacture heavy engineering fabrications for defense, mining, earth-moving, automotive and agricultural sectors.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gurdeep on behalf of Metlonics on this auspicious occasion. It's a great honor to have this prestigious award in recognition of Metlonics, contributing towards rail and metro industry. And we are very much delighted to thank and express gratitude to the renowned industries who nominated and voted for us. Its appreciation is not only for us but complete our Metlonics team who relentlessly work for very hard to meet our technical challenges. And after close interaction with the customers, Metlonics established a reliable benchmark in rail and metro industries worldwide. A very special thanks to our esteemed customers who believed in us and encouraged us to excel and compete in rail and metro industries within India and abroad. Thank you, the jury, as well as the rail analysis team for honoring us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.